Assalamu alaikum once again, friends. How you doing? Hope you're doing well, and hope you like my previous strategy, which I brought it for you before. And this strategy, and this is kind of like you can see on my chart, it's gonna be a different thing with the trend line. Most people, they want to trade with the trend lines. Okay, so how they're gonna draw the trend line, and they got confused and which time frame they use for their trades. Okay, and how the trend line work uh, perfectly with the indicators. Okay, first of all, let's get to the strategy and our new setup which we have done here. That I'm going to remove all of these things. First you have to go there, and if you have anything on your chart like these indicators, okay, so we're going to remove all these indicators to explain you easy way that you guys don't do any mistakes. Okay, so remove everything from the chart. Okay, so let's just do that, and it's a simple naked chart as you can see now. Okay, first of all, the main things you have to know, which is very easy, and most traders, if they're using for the scalping, okay, the scalping like for like a minute strategy or something like that. So I'm going to talk about the minute strategy. Those who has a very limited capital, a small account, so what they have to do, they have to use the scalping strategy for a minute, which gonna work very good for them, and they can gain their accounts in a few days. Okay, they can gain their accounts in few days. So let's just jump into the strategy. Here we're gonna bring it first. I'll show you something very easy thing. We're gonna go on the trend lines. Okay, so what we have to do, we pick a trend line here. Okay, so the trend line, it's very easy to place on your chart. You have to see like the higher. So when you take that the higher from here to there, so that's easily it shows it is the uptrend. Okay, so from here we draw the uptrend, and we like the trend from the top of the price action. The second trend line, we're going to bring it here, which gonna give you a very idea about the trades. So you're not gonna take the trend line from here. Okay, so try to take the trend line from the a little bit the lower or the previous low. Okay, so that's gonna easily let's just do this two of this one. Okay, so one is from here. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, one trend line is from here. Okay, so this is the trend line. This is the trend line, and if you see, it's already break this trend line from this area, which you can see. Okay, and it's already break, and it went to retest, and it's go back down, it's going up back a little bit. So this trend line is not the accurate one. What you have to do is take the trend line to the previous lower, so then you will have idea, because it's a 1 minute time frame, and you have to know what is exactly happening here. Now take a look here. So guys, in the previous trend line, it was showing the trend is already break, okay, to the downside. But if you see from here, this trend line, it doesn't break yet. Okay, it's still there, exists. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to know about this area, which you can see. Let me bring the horizontal line so that you can see it very easily. And sorry guys. Okay, here's the horizontal line, and I'm gonna put it on this support and resistance area. Okay, you can see now it's very easy and simple that you know the trend is still up. If it's break this trend line and it goes up, it goes down to this level, okay, and it's break the level, so that's mean the trend is already going to the down momentum. How do you know that? when it's break this trend line and you bring another trend line from here to here, okay, from here to here, so it shows in a minute that trend is likely to reverse. Okay, then what you have to do is just go to the indicators. Okay, it's very simple and easy things I'm always bringing for you guys. So go to the indicators. We will bring the first indicator, which is our moving averages. So what you have to do, bring your moving average, which is, you can take the screenshot, that's the video is not going to be very long. 22, the period, shift 0, exponential, close, okay, and the red. That's it. This is your the first indicator. Okay guys, sorry, okay, so this is your first indicator. What happened here? Okay, the first indicator is going to be, sorry guys, something, yeah, okay, so that is the moving average. The first indicator is done. Come on, something's wrong with this. Okay, once again I'm gonna go to the moving average and bring the indicators, where you can see here the red one, and then again go to the indicator moving average. This time you have to change it to what? To 50. Okay, so 50, and next shift 0, and next the simple one. Okay, and then close, apply on close, color should be green. Okay, so that just put the green here. Okay, and done. So once you're done, you can see here, oh, the red one, or the previous one is gone, so I did it on the previous one. Okay, so let's bring it back. Sorry guys, here again the new data, sorry, this was my mistake here, and make it 22, next. Okay, here exponential, close, red, got it. Okay, here we have two moving averages in a minute strategy. So as you can see here, we already close to the trend line, and the moving averages cross each other to the downwards. Okay, so the red is to the downwards, and there's another indicator which you plot it on your chart, that is on the, go to the window indicators. Okay, and you have to bring the MACD. Okay, take a screenshot of the MACD, which I received messages on the last video. They were asking like what setup the parameters for the fast EMA or slow EMA MACD we can use. So this is the 5, 13, and 1. Close and choose your color, whatever you like. Okay, and done. So here you can see it's on your screen now, the MACD, and there's another indicator when I'm going to show you here on this strategy, which is you have to go to window indicator 1. Okay, indicator window data 1, you have to go bring your stochastic. Okay, where's the stochastic, guys? Okay, here is the stochastic, and take the screenshot of this one as well, where you can see, oh, by mistake again I bring it here. Sorry guys, this is a little bit tricky thing here in my phone which I'm facing. Okay, so here is the stochastic. Okay, here's the stochastic as the MACD. You can took already the screenshot. You better fix it with that way. Okay, and what you have to do is you go again to the indicators and you bring another one, which is, as I already explained in my previous video, this is a very powerful strategy. That's why I'm again and again making a video on this one, because you guys have to take a trade with this one and you're gonna love it, and that's very powerful. So make it the yellow color now this time. Okay, the yellow color, which gonna be, let's take this one. This is the yellow color, and here you take it on, apply on the previous indicator data, which is gonna be on the stochastic. Okay, Here is done. There you see, whenever you see it's crossing from here, take a look. It's very easy. The current situation, guys, it's reached a trend line. It's reached a trend line, the price, and you can see it's bounced back in crossing break the yellow 22 moving average, which is applied on the previous indicator data. So the price start bouncing back. You can see here it's bouncing back. So we can consider the still the trend is uptrend and reach here, and it cross up back here. So the price start move back here, and you can see it's crossing over on that. Okay, so that's how you can use the strategy. But if you see in a previous signals, which the indicators are giving the signal, it here reached to the trend line, and it the stochastic crossing the yellow moving average to the upside, and you can see from here the market shoot up. Okay, and even you go to this one, to the top, to the sales short signal. Okay, here you can see it's touched the trend line, and here the stochastic cross the yellow, and if you see the MACD, it shows the downwards momentum, so the market start going down. Even this strategy, if you apply on the 15 or 30 minute, that's going to work for you the same as much you can do it. So what you have to do, track your trend line. Here is the trend line, and here is the previous trend line. So we're gonna fix this one to the previous one. Sorry guys, not this one. Here is the previous one, this one. Okay, so you can apply this strategy on the bigger time frame as well, which is very easy, and you can get a big profit from this. So what is happening in 30 minutes? In 30 minutes is touch the trend line, but take a look over here, the MACD border, orange line crossing the yellow one. That's mean from here the market will start moving downwards. But in scalping mode, if you're using the 1 minute strategy, then you have to be careful. Keep look the trend. If the trend is upwards in 30 minutes, so you have to keep take the trades to the bullish side, okay, not to the bearish one. And that's how you can easily success in this strategy. Okay, try to work on this, and it's a very trusted strategy where you can have a lot of income from this. And hope you guys this time you like the strategy, but I'm just recommending these indicators which I set up down here, oscillators. Don't forget to work on this one, and you're gonna love it. Smash the like button, share with your friends, and make sure please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Hopefully see you again with new strategy. Have a very good day, guys.